How to delete an email account in Windows 10 Mail. This video assumes you already have an existing email account and it's configured in Windows Mail. Now let's learn how to delete an email account. Note that deleting an email account from Windows Mail does not delete the actual email account where it was created, at your host or email service provider or in your hosting control panel. It only deletes it from Windows Mail. Click the Settings icon, then click Manage Accounts. Select the email account you wish to remove, then click Delete Account. Click Delete to confirm. That's it. The email account has been removed from Windows Mail. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to delete an email account from Windows Mail.